We will continue with admin dashboard, but in this section, we will work on users. Here, we will have this option, all users. If you click on this, all the users will be displayed. And what is the role of the user? That will be displayed when this user was created. Basically, when this user has registered, that date will be displayed, their names will be displayed, and here we will have edit and delete button. If you click on this, so for this user, admin can either leave as user or admin can make this normal user as admin. Let me make as admin. Click on update. User role will be updated. And if you see here, for this, my role is updated to admin. Now Khanam is admin. So again I will come. I will change back to user. Click on update role. Role will be updated and I will be having user. And also I can delete the user. This one, third row, I'm just going to delete. Are you sure you want to delete this user? Okay. Now, why it is loading? Because from backend, whatever user profile we are having, that will also be deleted. Now, if I come to all users, you can see that user is deleted and I will not be having the profile. Now, one by one, we are going to work on all the functionalities. Before working with editing, deleting, updating, first we will fetch all the data from database and we are going to display the data inside the table. I have opened my project. Now here, if I click on all users, you can see I will be redirected to admin users, but here I am not having any table. First, we are going to create the API and later on we will be performing the functionality. I will open admin slice.js, copy this function. Below this, I will be pasting. And here, I will change the comment delete product. And here, I will write fetch all users. Function name, I will be passing as fetch users. Action type, I will be passing fetch users. Now, I just want to fetch all the users. So, I will not be passing any payload. So, instead of this, I will simply pass underscore. Now I will open user routes and inside this for fetching all the users we are having this route and this is nothing but get request. So here I simply have to pass admin users and then remove this ID and this is nothing but get request. So I will be passing come to user routes. I will open this function and inside this what we are returning all the users and we are returning success to be true. And here directly I'm just going to return data. And here I will change the message fail to fetch users. Very simple function. Using this we are just fetching all the users which we are having in a project. Now inside the initial state I will create one property users and for this I'm just going to assign array. Why? Because I can have multiple users. So that is the reason I'm just passing empty array. Now scroll down, copy this complete builder, not this one. I will just copy this, update product and below this I will be pasting. And here I will change this function name. I will be passing fetch users, copy, paste and paste. Now inside pending, we do not have to change anything. Inside this full field, while fetching any user information, I do not want to show any message, so I do not need this success. Instead, I will access this users and whatever user I am having, that I am just going to pass. You can see inside the response, we will have users. So from this action.payload, we will access users. And inside the rejected state, remove this error message. Instead, come here. I will copy this error message and inside this I will be pasting. That's it. Using this successfully, we are fetching all the users which are logged in our website.